Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design simple part like this in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. Open SolidWorks and here for unit ensure select in millimeter gram second. You can see again for this drawing. Here is top view, here is section view from front view, and here is right view or side view. Here is full part and here isometric view. We start draw from top view. So just open SolidWorks and right click on top plane, click sketch. First draw two circle diameter in 30 and 60. On sketch, select circle, draw from this center, draw two circle. First circle have diameter in 30 millimeter and second circle set diameter in 60 millimeter. Like this. Now we can to draw center line. This to this. Set for distance in 50 millimeter. In 50 millimeter like this. And now we can to draw line here, 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 here to here. So select line on sketch and draw from here. Here, here, draw like this, this, and connect to this point, like this. Ensure this line click make horizontal and this line click make vertical. So after we make sketch like this, we can to set for dimension. This center line to this line in 50. So like this center line to this sets in 50 millimeter, and this line to this line in 100. So this line to this line set in 100 millimeter for distance, and here have angle in 135 degree. So this line to this line sets angle in 135 degree, and this line to this line have angle in 30 degree, like this. Okay, we can adjust for this point like this. What we can see here on each corner and this edge have radius in 15, have same radius like a fillet. So just click on here, sketch fillet parameter in 15 millimeter. So like on this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point. Fill parameter in 15 millimeter. Just click OK. Okay, it's simple. Okay. Now we can to draw circle from here. Draw from this point and this point. Draw three circle like this. Have here 3 hole diameter in 15. So ensure this circle, click Ctrl and select another circle, this and this. Just click make equal. Set diameter in 15 millimeter. And now we can to set for distance this center of hole to this edge in 42 millimeter. So this to this sets in 42 millimeter. And for distance, this line to this center here have distance in 145 millimeter. 145 millimeter. Okay, we can adjust from here. For this line, we can still adjust. So we can see here and here have same center. So this radius and this hole have same center in here. So just click on this arc, click Ctrl on your keyboard and select this circle. Just click make concentric like this. It's easy. And now after we input all dimension like this, appropriate this drawing, just export to solid parts with click feature and click extrude boss or base. First for direction, select in blind to the top, and for selected contour, just select this sketch to make like a cylinder here. Total height in here in 80 millimeter, so input here in 80 millimeter. Click OK. Click again on sketch 1. Just click extrude boss or base again. Now for selected contour, just select on this sketch, but thickness in here in 12 millimeter. Same here in 12 millimeter. Click OK. And done. It's so easy like this. So we can see again here have a cut like a counter bore like this. The depth is 16 and diameter in 40. So just right click on this face, click sketch, draw circle from this center, set diameter the circle in 40, and click feature, just click extrude cut, direction in blind and depth in 16 millimeter. Here 16 millimeter. Click OK and done. Okay, it's so easy and simple. Now we can see again here this part have shape like this and have distance in 45 millimeter. So we must make new plane in here. Just click on feature and select reference geometry, choose or select or click in plane. Now you can see in the left menu. For first reference, you can click here and select on right plane, because this is center of hole, and we can first reference in right plane because we start draw from this circle. So automatically this center to this have distance in 45 millimeter. So and put in here offset distance in 45 millimeter. For direction to here, you can flip offset if direction to here, but in here I'm uncheck list on flip offset because direction to here 45 millimeter and just click OK. Now we have new plane. The name is plane 1. Right click on this plane and just click sketch. Now we can tool draw, sketch line, shape like this. Select line and draw from this, and click A on your keyboard. Do this. Ensure this point click make tangent and this point just click make tangent. Ensure this center, this arc, click Ctrl on your keyboard and click this point or this center of this part, just click make vertical because here have same center in here. Set for distance this center to bottom edge in 42 millimeter. This to bottom edge in 42 millimeter. Sorry, Control C in 42 millimeter. And set for radius in 15. And here have hole circle diameter in 16. So in here set radius in 15 and make circle from this center, set diameter in 16 like this. It's easy. After we make sketch like this, just click feature and click extrude boss or base again. Now for direction, we can reverse direction to here. Just click here, reverse direction. We can see part in here is connected. So for direction, change in up to next. like this. Just click OK and done. We can hide for this plane, right click and click hide. But in here for hole continues to this cylinder. So we can click again on sketch 3. Just click extrude cut. For selected contour, just select on this circle, diameter in 16, direction in up to next, and just click OK and done. Now we can see from section view, click OK like this. Here is section view like this. Section view. It's easy. And don't forget to apply and fillet on this edge in radius 4 in here. So we can click again on section view, isometric, click fillet, set radius in 4, select on this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge, appropriate this part. Just click OK, and we can see from symmetric view, and we can select all feature and share for color appropriate like this, maybe in dark gray. Click OK and click again face and click face for color in white for this hole, this hole, this hole, and this hole. Click OK and done. Okay, I think that's enough how to design simple part, especially for beginner, the exercise to intermediate. Thank you for watching online video. I apologize if there are any mistake or errors in the tutorial. Thank you very much for watching until the end, and see you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.